Usongazibuza njengesakhamuzi saseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi le nhlangano yomasipala phecelezi iSALGA yenzani lokho eyasungulwa eminyakeni eyi12 eyadlule. Lo mbuzo uqhamuka kakhulu njengoba labo masipala behluleka ukuletha ingqalasizinda ebantwini, kakhulukazi njengoba imibhikisho ishuba nje emphakathini yethu. Ingqalasizinda ayinakwa, amanzi awalethwa kwabantu kanye nodoti umasipala awulandi ebantwini. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi umcwaningi amabhuku waseNingizimu Afrika akaneme ngesimo somnotho labo masipala abakusona.
For the 2018-2019 financial year, only 20 of our country's 257 municipalities got clean audits. This, colleagues, is less than 8%. Furthermore, these outcomes appear to be worsening each year rather than improving, which should be the natural progression of everything that we do. Improve and improve. Many of the challenges facing our municipalities are inherited.
Inkohlakalo kanye nokukhwabanisa idlalubi kulabo masipala abawuhlukayo. Lolu hlaka lohulumeni basekhaya ilona ngabe liletha ingqalasizinda efana namanzi, ugesi kanye nezindlu ebantwini. Kodwa sekwaphenduka indawo yokuthi laba abasolakala ngenkohlakalo bazidlele imali.
Coupled with institutional weaknesses like corruption and nepotism, many of our municipalities are facing a crisis of credibility and believability by our people. We cannot allow the widespread governance failures in municipalities to continue. We cannot have municipalities that are so dysfunctional that people feel they must resort to violence to be heard.
Ukuhluleka kohulumeni basekhaya ukuletha ingqalasizinda ebantwini sekutshengise ubandlululo olukhona nokungalingani eNingizimu Afrika okwenzeka ngekhathi zobandlululo. Lokhu kubonakala ngisho imiphakathi mayibhikishela ingqalasizinda engekho emphakathini. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba ze SABC eGoli.